there are two lessons that I've learned early on. That my ability to convince a violent man who held a gun to my head that killing me would not help his brother survive was a result of harnessing my emotions and directing them instead of letting myself be paralyzed by them. The second lesson was the man's fear of losing his brother made him react and almost kill me, even though I had nothing to do with the incident. His fear of losing his brother was so strong, so overwhelming, that it blinded him to the reality that I was in the best position to help save his brother. So by just me getting into the humanity of it and bringing him down from the reaction to thinking about his brother, to the cognition, to changing his belief, was extremely powerful. So here, we can harness the power of emotion and out of fear, create that protection and compassion in our actions. And also, we can harness the power of emotions to bring that emotion, name it, label it for people, and render it accessible to them so they can snap out of this reaction and get into the response mode. These two lessons were so incredibly powerful.